We are thrilled to welcome you to Phoenix, Arizona for this year's MGMA Financial Conference. Your connection to all things MGMA Financial Conference is our mobile app. Download the app before you arrive for the most productive conference experience. This year, the event will be held at the Sheraton Phoenix downtown. The most convenient airport is Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, just 4.4 miles from the hotel. Uber, Lyft, and taxis are all great options. Registration opens at 10 a.m. on Sunday, March 1st. We recommend checking in early to avoid long lines. The conference kicks off at 12:30 p.m. with an in-depth workshop of your choice included in your registration. Following workshops will be the first main stage session, 17% Moments, Discover the Brain Science of Emotions and High-Performance Leadership with Steve Gutzler. Doors open at 3:30 p.m. Make sure to wear your badge throughout the entire conference. All sessions are now self-scanning. Simply check into sessions via your mobile app. Throughout the show, feel free to engage with the industry and fellow attendees using the hashtag MGMA Financial. Utilize the mobile app to learn more about sessions and complete evaluations. Engage with top industry providers and connect with your peers in the Solution Center. Don't miss out on a chance to win $1,000 by playing the Cash Dash through an interactive experience in the conference mobile app. Participate in the meditation session, Reset and Refocus, a mindful approach to managing stress in healthcare, on Monday at 6:40 a.m. Have a new headshot taken on Monday from 9 to 9:45 a.m., 12 to 1:15 p.m., or 3:30 to 4 p.m. If you need a charger throughout the conference, be sure to visit the Halo MD booth, number 301, for a portable charger. Thank you to our marquee event patrons, and a thank you to you for committing your time to better your organization and community. We look forward to the opportunity to inspire, grow, and connect with you.